Hello children, in this video I will explain about resistivity. ये क्या है? तो it has been found by experiment that resistance of a given conductor is directly proportional to its length. So we can write it as a R directly proportional to L. R for resistance and L is a length. Now, resistance of a given conductor is inversely proportional to its area of cross section. That is, we can write it R inversely proportional to 1 by A. A is the area of cross section, which we can write it as a equal to pi r square also, where pi is a constant, you know its value is 22 upon 7, and r is the radius of the wire. So when radius is given, we applied at the place of a, we will write pi r square. And when this is a equation 1 and this is a equation 2, when we combine equation 1 and equation 2, we will get the relation R proportional to L upon A. Okay, R proportional to L upon A. And you know when we remove the proportional, we put a constant. So we write this R equal to rho into L upon A. This is a constant named as rho, RHO, and it is known as a resistivity. Resistivity is also known as a specific resistance. And when we arrange it, this equation 3, we can write it rho equal to R into A upon L. And already I told you R is a resistance, A is a area of cross section, and L is a length. So this is a very important formula. You should learn it because lots of numerical will solve based on this formula. Today I will also solve one numericals. And the SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter, which is written in the symbol as ohm meter. This symbol we applied for ohm, okay, and meter. So just don't confuse about resistance and resistivity. Resistance unit is only ohm. In last video I explained about the resistance, and here this is a resistivity, which unit is ohm meter, and resistivity equal to R into A upon L. Now we will solve the numericals. Your question is, a copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 millimeter and resistivity of 1.6 into 10 raised to the minus 8 ohm meter. What will be the length of this wire to make its resistance of 10 ohm, and how much does the resistance change if the diameter is double? Means ये इस क्वेश्चन में resistivity it is given and resistance 10 ohm it is also given, diameter 0.5 millimeter is given. You have to calculate the length. In first part, section A, you have to calculate the length of the wire, and in second part, diameter, if diameter is double, then resistance, what effect on the resistance. So let's solve it. Diameter it is given 0.5 millimeter. तो फर्स्ट रेडियस क्या होगा, तो 0.5 अपॉन 2, तो ये कटने के बाद इट विल गेट 0.25 millimeter. It is given in millimeter, so convert into meter. So for this 0.25 upon 1000 or 0.25, and it will goes up, so 0.25 into 10 raised to the minus 3 meter. Now area of cross section, A is not given but diameter is given, and already I told you in that case we will take A equal to pi r square, and value of pi is 22 upon 7, and r square, that is 0.25 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 and whole square, because here r square. 22 upon 7 into 0.25 into 0.25, it will comes 0.0625, and 10 minus 3, and again multiply with 10 minus 3, so you will get 10 raised to the power minus 6. अभी क्या करोगे, 22 multiply by 0.0625, you got 1.375 divided by 7 into 10 raised minus 6. When you will divide 7 by this number, your answer will come 0.1964 and 10 raised to the power minus 6 meter square. So this is the A. Now you have A and you have rho, that is resistivity. Then apply this formula, rho equal to R into A divided by L, where rho is resistivity. Now I put the all value. For rho I have written 1.6 into 10 raised 8. For radius, that is 10 ohm given into this number which I calculated and divided by L. Now L equal to this number divided by this number. Abhi now I remove this decimal and put here 10. 1.6 I have written 16, and in above parts I wrote 10, and 0.1964, remove this decimal and write down 1000. This for decimal I have written 1, and 1 2 3 4 digits, so 1 2 3 4 0. Now this 2 0 and this 2 0, okay, cut. Minus 8 minus 6, so 1964 10 raised minus 6 into this 10, this 100 will goes up, becomes 10 minus 2 and 10 minus 8, minus 6 and minus 2, it becomes 10 minus 8, so and down it is given 10 minus 8, so both are cut. Finally we got 1964 upon 16, and answer is 122.7 meter. And the second part, and you know कि resistance of wire is inversely proportional to the square of its diameter, because already I had given rho equal to L, inversely proportional to L. So if diameter is double, its resistance becomes 1/4. Okay, thank you.